Weather is looking pretty nice, isn't it? We were talking about it earlier.
Balmy.
Really nice. Is it going to carry on though?
Yeah, well, it was mild today, and if you think that was nice, well, I've got some good news for you. If you like the milder warm weather, tomorrow, predictions of up to 17 degrees in Jersey.
Whoa,
so really rather nice. That isn't going to be quite that warm in Guernsey and Alderney, but it's still mild. And actually, that would make it the warmest day of the year so far. We've got light winds as well, plenty of sunshine, so really feeling rather pleasant. And actually, the average for this time of year is more like 11 and 14 degrees, so definitely on the warmer side tomorrow. But compare that with what we're expecting by Saturday, quite a lot cooler, 10 degrees. So a whole 7 degrees chillier. We are really going to notice that difference into the weekend, quite a lot colder.
Well, look, Saturday aside, I'm very happy with tomorrow's forecast. Why is it so mild tomorrow?
Well, it's all to do with where our air is coming from. So the air mass that's over us at the minute is relatively mild, and you can see that by the orangey yellow colours on the map. It gets the characteristics of where it comes from. So our air, as the arrows are showing, are coming from southern tropical regions. Now, as we move to the next few days, it will stay like that into Wednesday and Thursday, but by the end of the week, on Friday, it's replaced with cooler air shown in blue. And as per the arrows, that's coming from northern areas, more like the Arctic. So it's no surprise it's really chilly because we are getting Arctic air into the weekend.
Fair enough.
So I would say if you've got any plans, anything in your garden to fix, or if you want to cycle into
moving
work,
house actually.
tomorrow is the day. That's the day. Well, let's find out what all the rest of our weather is. Here's your forecast. So yes, it's been a fine day in terms of the weather we've had. Plenty of bright and dry skies, and it is going to stay that way as we head into tomorrow. In fact, probably more in the way of sunshine, a bit less cloud around tomorrow. Another dry day in store. You can probably leave your umbrella at home because we won't really even see anything drizzly in nature tomorrow. And as well, if you thought today was quite warm, well, tomorrow even milder temperatures are going to be creeping up even further. So tonight there isn't too much to report. It is going to be a dry night and some clear and fair periods. The winds are light, around a force 2 to a force 3. Coming up from the south, that's feeding in that warmer air. So minimum temperatures overnight are around 9 or 10 degrees. Doesn't actually drop too much temperature wise. Quite a mild night again in store. Now tomorrow, if you are up early, you may see a bit of fog around on the fields, but that will then soon clear. It's not going to cause any disruption, that fog. We're then expecting a bright and sunny day, dry weather, and the winds lighter than they were today, around a force 2 to a force 3. And the temperature will climb throughout the day. So you can see in Jersey, we actually could be up to as high as 17 degrees. So a little bit above what we'd expect really for this time of year. Let's get our times of high water then, between 3 a.m. and 3:50, later on between 4 and 4:40, and the sea temperature 10.3 degrees. Now as we leave tomorrow and head into Thursday, well, you can see the isobars representing the wind. They're packing together a little bit. That means stronger winds. We have this cold front coming through. That's going to bring some rain and cooler air behind it. So actually, when we look at the whole week ahead, you can see that while we do have a warm day tomorrow, actually as we get towards the weekend, temperatures dropping right down to 10 degrees, cooler at night too, and becoming a bit more unsettled with something showery in nature by the weekend.